Hey guys, this is Harshita and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll see how to make this Domino style stuffed garlic bread at home. Check the description box for the ingredients. Now without further ado, let's get started. So here I have 1/4 cup of lukewarm water. The water should neither be hot nor cold, it should just be lukewarm. To this add half a teaspoon of sugar and half a teaspoon of active dried yeast. Mix it well and keep it aside to let it bloom. Next, take 20 grams of butter. To that add finely chopped coriander leaves, 6 to 9 crushed garlic, a pinch of salt, and about 1/4 spoon of oregano. Mix it well and your garlic butter is ready. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of Maida, half a spoon of salt, half a spoon of chili flakes, about 1 spoon of oregano, about 1 spoon of garlic powder, or you can just use crushed garlic, add 1 spoon of oil and mix it. Now to this add the bloomed yeast. Now if your yeast hasn't bloomed this way, then don't use it. Now I usually use Blackbird active dry yeast, but since it wasn't available, I used a different brand and I was not so happy with it because it took about 25 to 30 minutes to bloom. So add some water if required and knead the dough. Sprinkle some flour and stretch and knead the dough in this way using your hands for about 5 minutes. This is a very important step, do not skip it. Now tuck the dough and keep it in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of oil and coat it well. Now close it and let it rest for a minimum of 1 hour. After an hour, you'll notice that the dough has risen. Stretch and knead the dough again for about a minute. Sprinkle some flour and using a rolling pin, roll out the dough into a thin sheet. It shouldn't be too thick or too thin, about half a centimeter thick. Now using your fingers, thin out the edges so that it's easy to seal it later. So I've greased the plate with oil and I'm gonna place this sheet on the plate. Now just slightly thin out the edges using your fingers again. Apply the garlic butter. Coat it well because this is what gives us the taste. Now place some mozzarella cheese. I've used about 1 cup. Top it with some boiled sweet corn, some capsicum. To make it more cheesy, I'm gonna put some more mozzarella cheese. Now sprinkle some oregano, some garlic powder, this is optional. Now apply water on the edges because it helps in sealing the edges. Now just close it like that and seal the edges. Now if your edges are thick, it's not gonna seal well and the cheese is gonna ooze out while it's baking. So make sure the edges are thin and seal it really well. Now melted the butter and I'm gonna coat it again. Now sprinkle some oregano. Using a knife, make slight cuts like this so that it's easy to pull out the breadsticks later. Now I'm gonna bake this in a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. I've put up the instructions for OTG and cooker and kadai as well. So that's it. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.